Do you crave a mid-length shag that's done just right and is affordable? You're not going to want to miss this review. This is the Main Attraction Seduction in a brand new color called Sunflower. Coming up. I purchased the style. You can find it at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link. It'll be labeled Main Attraction Seduction. If you click on that link, it'll take you out to the website where you can see all of the colors and the pricing. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. All of those links are also below the video. So let's get started on this seduction. I have really always admired the shag style that's about mid-length, that has nice tapered ends, lots and lots of layering. I also really love the price point on this one. I'll go ahead and attach it here. Although, you know, prices are always subject to change, this seems to be really affordable compared to some of the counterparts out there with the same features. You're gonna find where that front piece is around 7 1/4, right there at the fringe. Now I have mine parted just a little left of center, but theoretically you can part this anywhere you want because it is an open top style. And the overall length on this is around 13 inches. And I just love how these layers culminate around the face. They're nice point cut layers here, giving it a nice wispy weight line. You can pull it away from the face. You can tuck it behind the ear. It has a little bit of waviness in the back, which I think gives it a lot of, enhances a lot of this body and swingy movement. This is made from a regular synthetic fiber. This is not a heat-friendly fiber. So what you need to know here is that it is loaded with permatease. That permatease starts in super heavy, right where that lace front ends, and then you start with that soft, pillowy type permatease. Now that's going to give you a nice lifted profile that will be sustained, so you don't have to re-tease or restyle throughout the day. But just be aware of that, because if you are averse to this big volume, this big profile, you may want to look for something with a little less permatease. But I absolutely love the silkiness of the fiber and the movement. Now let's chat about this color, and then I want to show you the lace front. So this Sunflower has just arrived by Main Attraction by popular request. So many of you have asked for a lighter, I wish they had a lighter ash blonde, and this is it. So Sunflower is ash on ash. So you're going to see a medium ash blonde with some pale, nearly platinum, but just a really pale ash blonde highlight. So ash on ash, and that is on a medium golden brown root. Okay. It's very dimensional, very dynamic, and it definitely is cool. So I really love the Butternut by Main Attraction as well, but that has more gold blondes in it. Gold blondes and beige notes. And then this one is definitely ash compared to the Butternut. And you can see where I just love fluffing it up. It's just adorable. So let's go into this lace front a little bit, because I feel like the Main Attraction brand does an amazing job on their lace fronts. I love that, because not only is it affordable, you do get the beautiful quality lace features. So let's check it out. This is an extended lace front, no visible seams. They bring the highlight on this color right up, but you can see it's interspersed a little bit. It's not too heavy of a banding there. That lace front is about 1 inch back from the hairline. Now there's a lot of thick, heavy, pillowy permatease right there at the temple, just above the ear tab. Okay, so I'm really not having any trouble though getting my glasses to feel safe and secure between the ear tab and the ear. And it stays put. So I guess it just depends on how your head is shaped, how thick your glasses are, but this one works for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this hair around. We're going to do an ear tuck. We're going to see about increasing the profile, decreasing the profile of the style so you can get a really good sense. Be sure to check it out. The links are below the video in the description box. Everybody have a great day.